Good morning! Ayan, today is January 29 at birthday ng aking mag-ama. Ayan, Kate, happy birthday! Ayan, 6 years old na siya today at yun, magla-lunch kami today sa Okada. 12:30 actually yung aming kaso lang, hindi ko alam kung aabot kami, kaya yun. 12:28 na, late kami ngayon. Tapos yun, wait lang. Ayan, may load pala ako. Yun guys, naka-casual daw. Ayun, ngayon ko lang naalala, nagka-casual pala. Pero nakaganito naman ako. Di ko alam kung papapasukin ako. Kaya yan guys, samahan niya kami. Punta tayo ng Okada today. Yay! Ayan, sana nandoon na si Daddy. Ayan, hindi na kami dumaan kay Daddy kasi may kotse naman siyang dala. So magme-meet up na. Yeah, magme-meet up na lang kami dun sa Okada ng 12:30. Ayan, kaya yan. Join us. Yan guys, we're here na sa Okada. Yay! Okay na, let's go. Okada, pick up. Ang dami. Wow, nice. So nice here. Okay, later na tayo pumunta doon. O, punta ka doon, Mami. We'll do pictures on you. Dali. Ayan, we're here na guys inside the Okada medley. See? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Ayan. Dalawa lang kami guys kasi yung aking husband ay busy pa. So dalawa lang kami kakain dito at yun. So we will get our food. So nice. Nakita ko dito si Albert Martinez. Ayan. Hey. Oh, ang daming seafoods.
This one. I want.
Ayan. Wait lang. Oh. You have to hold your ano. Ano yung dito? Pwede i-combine lahat yan. Ah, ito, sweet and chili. Ayan yung sauce. Ah, sige. You have to wait. Naka-separate siya. Ayan, may sushi. Diba you want to try sushi? Diba? Ayan guys, try natin to. Naku, inuubo yung lalaki. Walang laman yung nakuha ko. Walang laman. Yeah, what is this? This is a crab. Ayan guys, seafoods. Ayan,
I will eat this?
Yes, titikman natin lahat yung pagkain dito. Us! Ayan, different sauces. Ayan, red wine vinegar, cocktail, lemon, and sweet chili, Mari rose sauce, and then tomato salsa. Ayan. You follow mommy, ha? Tikman natin lahat to. Ayan. Don't touch it later na. Ayan, nagpa-reserve pala kami dito, guys. So, yun. You want to try it? You have to try that all.
I want this.
Ay, wait lang. Ayan.
You have to pick this also. You forgot this.
Okay. You have to wait, ha?
I want to see the pearls.
Later na, anak. Later na, please. Ay, naku. Sorry. Ang dami guys. Ito pa. Okay, to follow mommy, ah. See that? O Japanese. Oh no, this is chicken teriyaki. Ayan, oh, chicken teriyaki. Ayan. And then that one. Smoked snapper. Later na we will taste that. You hold that properly. Ayan, oh, salmon. Salad. Apple. Okay, later. Ito burger. You want burger and pizza? Ayan. Okay, you hold this one. You hold. Pizza. Oh, you careful. You're going to. How many pizza do you want? Shh. Only 2. Ayan.
You want fries? May fries ko dito. Hotdog. Ako naman.
Sige. Thank you. O, dali, put it there. Fries. Halika na.
Okay.
Fries. Dito lang, anak, ha?
Can I eat that?
Sure. Anong sauce nito, miss?
Ketchup, ma'am.
Ah.
May cheese po kami.
Don't touch it, anak. Tinuwa ka niya? Anak mo, don't touch her na.
Kami labahan niya mga cheese yan.
Para iwanan ko na sa table para kukuha ko ng food. Diba? At kita mo ng burger na to. Pwede pa hingin ng isa niya.
Sliders, ma'am.
Oo. Okay. Shh.
Plate na lang.
You stay na in the, ano ha? You stay na in the chair. Ah, sige. You... Where's the ice cream?
Eat first.
Oh, you eat muna. Later na ice cream. Halika na, halika na. After you eat. Okay. Ang dami, may juices. Ay, wow, sushi. You like sushi? Oh, you get the sushi. Wait lang. Ayan, guys. Salmon. Ano to? Sushi. Okay, you try. Okay, you hold this one. Okay. Ang dami. Don't touch it.
I want tempura.
Tempura. Ayan. One. Dami.
I want this.
You have to wait muna. We will try all. 3. This one. 4. 5.
It tastes like mango.
Really? Are you not allowed to eat the ano ha? This one ha? You're going to hurt your tummy ha?
This?
Oh, this is only for mommy.
What's that?
Fish. You're not allowed to eat that one because it's ano.
There's a thorn inside.
No, not torn. Only this one, oh. This one, oh. This one, okay. You hold na that one. Bring na that one. Anak, you have to hold tightly. Yeah, like that. Careful, ha? Ayan, may salad pa, oh. Ayan. Let's go to our table. See that, guys? Ang dami. Go. Careful, ha? Be careful not to drop it. Okay. Okay.
I can bow it.
Ayan, different kind of salad. Ay, tatry ko ito mamaya. Diba? Yummy. Ang sarap. Later na. Ayan, ito pa. Wow, cupcakes. Ano to? Ayan, tikman. Ano to, kuya? Bread yan?
Yes po, ma'am. Ano yan? Parang pretzel yan.
Pork rice. Ay. Steak. Kuya? Oh my gosh, sarap. Paella. Titikman ko kayong lahat. Ayan. May salad pa doon. The other side naman yung iba. Beef loaf. Ayan, guys. Ang dami kong kinuhang pagkain, no? Are you happy? No! Later we will buy cake. Yeah, yee! Ayan, kain muna kami, guys. Kaya natakam ako sa mga pagkain. Ang daming pagkain. Ayan. matatamis. Sila masarap, grabe. Bawal naman sa akin. Kate, ito pa pala, meron pa. Oh my God, so cute. Ang daming dessert. Oh, later na, we will get, you get na lang ice cream. No? Oh, later na, oh, don't pick it up. You have to put it to the plate. Oops. Oh, later na, you have to eat muna the ano. Dali, go. All sweets. Ube. Wow, dami. Ayan, may halo-halo. Ingat tayo ng halo-halo. Strawberry na lang. You want strawberry? Wow! Thank you so much. Ayan guys, di pa kami tapos kumain. Ang daming pagkain. Ang dami namin pinuhang pagkain. Tapos dalawa lang kami. Hindi namin maubos. Ah, your favorite! After this, where do you want to go? Play? Of course, we're going to play.
Look for the hotel bed.
Hotel again? No more hotel?
Hotel bed. Boom. Uy, babab, mami.
Ay, don't talk while your mouth's full. Ayan guys, thank you for watching. After namin mag-lunch dito, ay mag-iikot kami sa labas. Kaya yun. Ang daming pagkain. Nakakaumay pag maraming pagkain. Thank you, Lord. Oh, don't touch it. Ayan guys, done buying my gift for my husband. See that? It's Calvin Klein t-shirt. Ayan. At yung pauwi na kami today. Birthday to you. How many times did you blow the candles today? 2 times. Nag-blow na siya kanina. Tapos nag-blow pa siya ngayon. Oh.